Hello? Ever introduced how to wiring for the wireless radio camera detector? At first, if you have the 4-piece radio camera detector, at first please ensure each one connects with the wireless antenna, and ensure it has the independent power supply for electric. Next, for the output board, please connect the master telephony with the output board like this. Insert it just okay. So, and for the left hand, and list the 2-piece lines connect with the power supplies. Please ensure voltage was 22 to 42, and this side connect with the I/O board for list. And you have the wiring the port for 1, 2, 3, 4 stand for the east direction, and 1, 2, 3, 4 stand for the south direction. And this 1, 2, 3, 4 stand for the west direction. And next 1, 2, 3, 4 is stand for the north direction.